Avast there, me hearties. Today, we're diving into the briny depths of chemistry to explore a truly swashbuckling element, sodium. This silvery white metal is more than meets the eye. From the salt that seasons our grub to the baking soda that makes our cakes rise, sodium compounds are everywhere. Did you know that sodium burns with a brilliant yellow flame? Or that it's so soft you can cut it with a butter knife? Get ready for a thrilling voyage through the wonders of sodium. Sodium is like that one mate who always gets a little too excited when grog is involved. Drop a chunk of sodium in water and you're in for a real show. It fizzes, it bubbles, it even explodes with a loud pop. Sodium reacts violently with water, creating sodium hydroxide and releasing hydrogen gas. This reaction generates a lot of heat, igniting the hydrogen and causing a mini explosion. Handle sodium with care, or you might find yourself up to your eyebrows in a chemical reaction. Unlike some of the more stubborn metals, sodium is surprisingly soft. In fact, it's so soft you can cut it with a regular knife. Imagine slicing through a metal like it was cheese. That's because the atoms in sodium are arranged in a way that allows them to slide past each other easily. This makes sodium malleable, which means it can be hammered into different shapes, and ductile, meaning it can be drawn into wires. Shiver me timbers, sodium isn't just about fiery explosions and soft textures. This element is crucial for life itself. Sodium plays a vital role in nerve function, allowing our brains to send signals throughout our bodies. It also helps regulate fluid balance, ensuring our cells stay hydrated and our blood pressure remains stable. Without sodium, we'd be like ships lost at sea. Sodium is the sixth most abundant element on Earth, which means it's about as common as finding a parrot on a pirate's shoulder. It's primarily found as sodium chloride, the same stuff we sprinkle on our food for flavor. Vast deposits of sodium chloride are scattered across the globe, remnants of ancient seas that have long since dried up. Back in 1807, a brilliant chemist named Sir Humphry Davy was tinkering with a newfangled invention, the electric battery. Davy decided to pass an electric current through molten sodium hydroxide, and to his astonishment, a silvery white metal appeared at one of the electrodes. This marked the first time sodium had ever been isolated in its pure form. It was a groundbreaking moment in chemistry. Freshly cut sodium is a sight to behold. It gleams like a pirate's treasure, with a silvery white luster that's both beautiful and fleeting. When exposed to air, sodium reacts with oxygen, forming a dull oxide layer on its surface. But fear not, beneath that dull exterior lies the same reactive metal, just waiting to be unleashed. Here's a riddle for ye. What can float on water but is heavier than a feather? That's right, me hearties. It's sodium. Sodium is less dense than water, meaning it has less mass packed into the same volume. So, while a cannonball would sink straight to the bottom, a chunk of sodium would bob along the surface like a ship at sea. Prepare to be dazzled, because sodium puts on a spectacular show when it catches fire. When heated, sodium atoms get excited and release energy in the form of light. This unique property makes sodium a key ingredient in fireworks, where it creates those dazzling golden bursts. It's also used in streetlights, casting a warm glow that guides our way after dark. Sodium compounds are like the hidden treasures of the periodic table, found in all sorts of everyday items. Take table salt, for instance. This culinary staple is actually sodium chloride, and it's essential for adding flavor to our food. Then there's baking soda, another sodium compound that's a mainstay in our kitchens. It's used to make cakes rise, neutralize odors, and even clean our teeth. Sodium compounds aren't just found in our kitchens and bathrooms, they're also vital for our health. Hospitals use intravenous sodium chloride solutions to rehydrate patients who are dehydrated. Sodium bicarbonate, another important compound, is used to treat heartburn and indigestion. And let's not forget about the role of sodium in electrolyte drinks. Well, there you have it, me hearties. From its explosive personality to its essential role in our bodies, sodium is a truly remarkable element. We've learned about its reactivity, its softness, and its importance in everything from fireworks to food. So, next time you sprinkle salt on your dinner or marvel at the golden glow of a streetlight, remember the amazing properties of sodium. Until next time, keep exploring the world with a curious mind and an adventurous spirit. Farewell.